Well, look at this beautiful Carolina Wren pendant. Look how glossy and nice. I don't know if you're from North Carolina or anywhere in the Carolinas, you've probably seen this charming little guy in the wild. He is super sweet. And he is, let's see how big he is. He's about 1.5 inches by a little over 2. We'll call that 2 inches. And this is a Champlevé and cloisonné enamel necklace. And it is enameled on both sides. It's green on this side, which is really pretty. And it comes with this lovely 16-inch sterling. It's a nice heavy chain, which is kind of nice for one of these larger pendants. Has a really easy clasp. You kind of twist it and open it like that. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. And I made this actually. I made one of these as a commission piece, and I loved the bird so much that I went ahead and made another one because so charming. Carolina Wren, everybody.